So the plan is we're gonna cut right here, doom, doom, and then cut probably right here, doom, and then what's it called? The blast pipes. I can't see. So far, we have the resonator deleted. I'll show you. So we got that off. Cut the resonator from the middle, as you can see. So now we're mucking up this side and then making a wide pipe that goes down through there and out through the other end. From the resonator back is all straight pipe. YouTube, so it is the next day, and I have the G right here, as you can see, and the exhaust is done. It's all finished. Look at this. God. Should I give you a montage? Fuck it, I'm gonna give you a montage. I don't want my neighbors to, feel me, get mad at me or anything, so let's go to the spot and I'm gonna show y'all there. That's just a muffler and fucking resonator delete, bro. As y'all saw, it pops and burbles, nigga, just from a muffler and resonator delete. But now I'm gonna give y'all a little POV drive of how it sounds while I'm driving and see if y'all like it or not, so y'all could do it yourselves. Or yeah, it drones a little bit. I mean, it drones, but I don't really give a fuck, honestly, because I just be blasting my music. So let's go. Let's do it. So I'm gonna show y'all before clip here. Yo, and then this is gonna be the after. I'm gonna show you how it sounds now, because before it had literally nothing to the exhaust. So I'm gonna put down, let me pause this shit real quick, put the window down. Oh, don't ask why the fucking door panel's off, don't mind that. We're doing something, we're cooking, bro, we're cooking. But I can't put the driver one down yet, because I still gotta fix the window motor and the regulator. But this is how it sounds now. Let me put it in manual mode first though. Alright, we're in manual now. Whee! That shit goes! Yo, that shit is fire. Hold on. Yo, that should be moving, bro. Yeah, I'm in a fishbowl too, bro. People are probably looking at me like I'm fucking crazy. Like, what the fuck is on his head? Nigga, I'm living life. Yo, this shit sounds fire. What the fuck? Ooh, straight. Alright. Oh, those pops went crazy. Yo. I mean, it was one pop, but like still, from no tune, no nothing, bro, just a delete, just 2 deletes. That's, nigga, I'm fine with that, bro. Wait till I get it tuned. Oh my god, bro. Wait till I get it tuned. Anyways, thank y'all for watching, and I'm out.